chair. He told you to get a chair. I told you. What are you doing?
Hey, does this go back around there?
It goes to the outside, yeah.
It goes outside.
It goes outside.
That way. You can't go back. You can't get back up there with it.
Bro?
It just goes around that way. Right over there.
No, when you guys run and take this up there.
No, you do it. You got it down.
Right off the stage.
No.
Wait, keep right next to me. Keep watch. Keep watch.
Yeah, I got
Is
watch.
he right there?
Keep watch. I'm gonna videotape this shit. Where did he go?
Put the wheelchair back now.
We don't even know where it is.